Factory ya Inspire Africa Coffee Park eshohwize bintu ebyetwirene korokoro gomwani okutandika kuguzibwa mu Kataro mu Uganda na no mahanga gahedo. Chief Justice Owinyidoro ni watongwizehwe bintu ebi kandi asimiremere mekozirwe aha factory ji okwika kushohoza omwana ugonjirwe ho mutindo kandi urukuza kuba no kuguzibwa no mahanga gahedo.
And the best I can tell you is that we shall give you the best product, a product that is accepted on any international shelf, that you Ugandan can be able to be proud wherever you go around the world. Everybody in the value chain of coffee. For the World Coffee Day we're celebrating here. In this regard, I congratulate the people of Ntungamo for hosting this day.
Omukoro ogu gwishikirweho n'abaminister batari bamwe na bamwe.
Let us commit supporting our farmers, promoting value addition, empowering local enterprises, and building strategic partnerships that will make Uganda a global powerhouse in coffee.
The substation is very critical. It receives power, stabilizes it for onward transmission to other users. So what we are going to do at Mirama, we are going to inject a transformer that is going to be dedicated to this plant.
Sam Muchunguzi mukuru wa district ya Ntungamo ahigira abanya-Uganda okukira munonga abanya-Ntungamo okuhagira ebintu byone bikozerwa omwani ahari Africa Coffee Park.
Ekyo kubanza kya byona ntunda products zitu za Ntungamo turebe ziri mu market one locally and internationally. Agwankani nyenda ngo kwa mwenda tubentu president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni president Ageihangwe tukantwenda ngo abe na flagging off the first turera erukugenda erukutwara ebindebi aha Mombasa.
Of course ibanda twine coffee union na leta the members of our coffee union na bareta kusoma kandi basoma turiyabahingi bomwani kandi nyenda kubashuwaringa ngo ibanda we are ready kugura omwani products zikorwa omwani gwitu kandi tukahinga omwani tukagureta aha echarege monka product nacho tukachugura tukashitoma makagitu.
Aba Inspire Africa Coffee Park omwana no bagukora mu bintu byinji nkakawa ebyo kunywa amajuta go kurya na gukwesiga yogurt za biscuit na nebindi byinji kandi ebi byona president Yoweri Museveni naza kubitongoza ho kutandika kuguzibwa mu mahanga gahedo esande rukwija. Ahabwa TV West and Area Sartugusa.